Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So many of us are facing a problem in our Instagram account, like the Reels tab is missing. And for many of us, the creation of Reel, the plus icon, the tab itself is missing. So we are not able to create any Reels from last few days. So what is happening? So Instagram is experimenting on lots of things, like you can see the notification button which was there previously in below itself, then they have moved to up, then again they have added that notification button to below. Now again they have moved that notification button on the top, so we are getting a new features like 60 seconds stories, then it was removed, then again we got, then again we are losing a new features. The features are not stable, whatever they are coming with a new update, so it's not stable, it's coming and it's going, so it's very unstable, and due to this we are facing a lots of problem. Like currently many of us, we don't have the option to post a reels, and for many of us the reels tab itself is missing. So today I will show you a few things that you can try. So this will help you to fix this problem. So basically you don't have to worry, this is not only with you, there are a number of users who are facing this problem. This is not because you have done any mistake in Instagram, it's just because the Instagram update is not working properly. Okay, so what you can do, go to your mobile settings. Okay, and inside that settings, so here you can see this is a mobile settings. Here you need to go to apps. So after going to app, yeah, so search for Instagram. So here is the app, you need to clear, you can see the storage, you need to clear a cache. Okay, so after clearing a cache, come back and click on force stop. So after clicking on force stop, your Instagram app will be closed. Okay, now you have to close the app and go to Play Store and update your Instagram application. So after updating this application, here you can see the update, you have to update it. So after updating, still if you see that this problem is not fixed, then you have to go to your Instagram application and we have to report a problem. So basically you know how to report a problem. Just go to settings, go to help and report a problem. Okay, so here you just need to write a brief about this one, like you don't have this feature, this reels tab is missing in your Instagram account, so please fix this problem. You just write a quick one, don't write so much. And one more thing, I will suggest you, just buy, if you think okay someone will report this, why I am reporting this, so if there is a bulk report, I mean with how many people you are watching this video, if everyone is going to report a problem in the same day, I mean in a couple of hours, in the same hours, then Instagram is going to look how Instagram look into issues. Like if they get a lots of report about any problem, then they fix this problem as soon as possible. So I will suggest you to go and report a problem. So after that this will be fixed, and even if it's not working, then there is one solution. You can uninstall your Instagram application, then after that go to Chrome browser and search for old version of Instagram. So there you will see a lots of APK file you can download and you can log in your Instagram account. So you will not find this type of problems. So this will definitely solve your problem if anything is not working for you. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.